Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Yes, I'm happy to see you today too. Let's tell me, what's in your name?
My name is Sumi.
And how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And what food do you like? Do you like chicken? Do you like pizza?
Donut.
Yeah, you like donuts? Okay, thank you. Okay, now let me come here and tell you, what sound is this?
E.
And the action after eating the top. What sound is this?
R.
And the action after R-E.
R.
Now, let's play. What sound here is?
E.
Here. Now, cup. Now, part 2. Listen and this. Number 1. Listen and to visual. Give your finger. Give your finger. Yes. And number 1. The number 1 says sword. So you will show. Yes. Number 2. Hawk.
Yes.
Yes. Number 3. Sit. Number 4, lit.
Yeah.
Yes. Number 5, airport. Airport.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And B, listen and choose words in number 1. For example, we have big.
Yes.
Number 2, stop. Number 2 here, stop. Stop. Number 3, street.
Yes.
Yes. Number 4, pool.
Yes.
Yes. Number 5, beach.
Yes.
And part 3, about the police. You will find the missing sound in number 1 and number 2. In number 1, what is it?
Fork.
So the missing sound here is
R.
very good. Number 2, what is it?
U.
So the missing sound here is
E.
and that moves to the last part today, part 4, race. Okay, let's take from number 1 to number 2. Number 1, look.
Look at the bee. The bee and the bee
E
on the bee.
good. Number 2,
Look at the star. The star at the top.
in the pole. Thank you.